important. The tense completion, that is very important. Here, grammar exercise, tense forms. Complete the sentences in present tense forms. Present tense. Okay. The clue is given. You have to either you have to use the state form or you have to add es. That is the difference. Saravanan always goes for a walk. Okay, because Saravanan is singular. Okay, and it is present tense. Therefore, goes for a walk. And we dash gather here for a meeting, and the chairperson is yet to arrive. This is simple present tense, and instruction also is present tense form. Therefore, we gather here. We don't add yes here. We gather here. If it is negative, we do not gather. If it is interrogative, do we gather? First sentence, Saravanan always goes. Saravanan does not go. Does Saravanan go? Third sentence, Aruna dash eagerly dash wait to meet her friend since morning. In this sentence, since morning, since is the clue word here. Hint, that is the hint word. That means point in the past. Since morning, Aruna has been eagerly waiting, to meet her friend since morning. Okay, and then fourth one, Sheba dash move to a new house next week. Here, the condition is present tense form. Therefore, present tense form means he is moving. Sheba moves to a new house next week, also possible. Shiva is moving to a new house next week, also possible. Therefore, here you can use either simple present tense or present continuous tense. Simple present tense means Sheba moves to a new house next week. If it is present continuous tense, Sheba is moving to a new house next week. Nazira, fifth sentence, Nazira dash attend music classes regularly. Here also Nazira attends or is attending. Okay, Nazira is attending music classes regularly. Nazira attends music classes regularly. Attends music classes regularly, first choice. Is attending music classes regularly, second choice. Both are correct. If music classes regularly since some time means has been attending music classes regularly since last week, last month, last year, like that. And then sixth one, Ilakya and Adira. Okay, two persons. Okay, two persons. That means plural. It is not one just Ilakya. It is not just Adira. Two persons, therefore plural. Therefore, it cannot be enjoys. Ilakya and Adira enjoy each other's company. Enjoy only, not enjoys. That's very important. If it is negative, do not enjoy. If it is interrogative, do Ilakya and Adira enjoy each other's company? Question. Number 7, money. Money dash work in this school for 5 years. Okay. Money has been working in this school for 5 years. For 5 years, therefore, present perfect continuous. Present perfect continuous has been working for 5 years. And then, eighth one, it dash pour outside now. This is pour present tense, present tense form. Therefore, it is pouring outside now. It is pouring outside now. That is the answer. Now, next exercise. This is complete the sentence with past tense form. Okay, past tense. Past tense means maybe past perfect, simple past, past continuous. Simple past when, past perfect had gone, past perfect continuous had been, etc. Now, I dash go to her place on foot. Simple. I went to her place on foot. Simple past. The children dash play in the ground when the teacher arrived. Here the link is there between two actions. Okay, two actions. What is the other action? When the teacher arrived. When the teacher arrived, what were the children doing? The children were playing in the ground. Therefore, that action should be in progress. Okay, the children were playing in the ground when the teacher arrived. The children played in the ground when the teacher arrived means both are simultaneous. Or the teacher arrival first and the children playing with his permission subsequent. Therefore, when the children were playing in the ground when the teacher arrived. That is more meaningful and sensible. Number 3, they request the manager when he arrived. Here also, they requested the manager when he arrived. That means they requested the manager when he arrived. That means they waited for the arrival of the manager, and when he arrived, they requested the manager. Okay. They were requesting the manager. It is not possible here. Okay. And then if you dash work hard, you would have won the relay match. This is if clause first type or second type or third type. This is first. From the if clause you cannot find out. From the subordinate clause you cannot find out. From the main clause you can find out. What is the main clause? You would have won the relay match. That means would have won. So that means automatically this is simple past. If you had worked hard, you would have won the relay match. Okay, if you had worked hard, you would have won the relay match. And then number 5, Jonah and Joy dash already dash leave for Ooty when the others reached the station. Once again here, when the others reached the station, and then leaving by Jonah and Joy. Both of them are past actions. When you are talking about two past actions, you must distinguish between earlier action and later action. Which is earlier, which is later? Is it their Joyce leaving or others reaching the station? Which is first? Okay, when the others reached the station, Jonah and Joy had already left for Ooty. Okay, Jonah and Joy had already left for Ooty when the others reached the station. For earlier action is Jonah and Joy leaving. Therefore, for the earlier action, past perfect. For the later action, simple past, that is reached. Okay, through such clear examples, you try to remember and retain the use of these tenses. Jonah and Joy had already left for Ooty. That is the earlier action. When the others reached the station, they were not there. That is later action. And the number 6, we all dash sing in the choir last week. We all dash sing in the choir. So what is the answer? We all simply sang in the choir last week. A single event. We all sang in the choir last week. Number 7, Nancy dash always dash ask for help. Nancy, here it is. What is the condition? Past tense form. Okay. Therefore, and also here the split is there, and then always adverb is there. So Nancy singular, therefore was always asking for help. That is a past continuous. Nancy being singular, it is was. Nancy was always asking for help. Number 8, the office goers dash wait for the train. The office goers, past tense, therefore were waiting for the train. The office goers were waiting for the train. That is the event. Office goers plural, therefore were waiting for the train. And then use the verbs in the brackets in the future form. Okay. Now we dash not dash to the market if it rains. If it rains, that is if class first type. If class first type means main class la will only. Okay. If it rains, simple present tense. That is if class, subordinate class. In the main class, maximum that will be future only. We will not go to the market. Okay. We will not go to the market if it rains. Second sentence, Kirti dash his work by next week. Okay. Kirti dash his work by next week. See, by next week means a point in the future. That means Kirti will have done his work, will have done his work by next week. Okay. Kirti முடித்திருப்பான், முடித்திருப்பான், அந்த வேலையை முடித்திருப்பான், will have done his work. It is not would have done. Be careful. Will have done, because we are talking about a point in the future. Point in the future. Will have done his work by next week. Number 3, the peon dash the bell by the time I reach the school. By the time I reach the school means future time. Okay, future point of time. By the time I reach the school, what will have happened? The peon will have rung. Sorry, ring is missing there. Within bracket, that ring must be there. Ring is missing. Please, you may include ring. The peon will have rung the bell. Will have rung the bell. Will have rung the bell by the time I reach the school. Number 4, I dash my sister's house next April. Next April, if I go to Uttarakhand. Okay, if I go to Uttarakhand. So, what is the possibility there? If I dash my sister's house next April, if I go to Uttarakhand, I shall be visiting. Okay, I shall be visiting my sister's house next April if I go to Uttarakhand. I will be visiting. I shall be visiting, or I will be visiting my sister's house next April if I go to Uttarakhand. Number 5, again if class, if you listen carefully. If you listen carefully, what will happen? If you listen carefully is if class. What is the tense used? Simple present tense. That is, listen is simple present tense. If you listen carefully, that is present tense means automatically in the main class will. You will understand my point. Okay. If you listen carefully, you will understand my point. Okay. And then number 6, by next year, I dash in Chennai for 15 years. By next year. Okay. By next year, I dash in Chennai for 15 years. What is the tense here actually? We are talking about a future point for 15 years. By next year, I will have lived in Chennai for 15 years. By next year is future time. By next year, we are talking about a point in the future. By next year, I will have lived in Chennai. வர்ற வருஷம், இந்த வருஷம் வந்ததுன்னா 2021 வந்ததுன்னா நான் சென்னையில 15 வருஷம் வாழ்ந்திருப்பேன். Okay, that is the meaning. I will have lived in Chennai for 15 years. Okay. Then 7th sentence, the new edition of this book dash out shortly. The new edition of this book, okay, will be coming. Will be coming out shortly. Will be coming. The new edition of this book, that is a kind of prediction. That is a kind of prediction. Prediction is also one of the uses of future tense. The new edition of this book will be coming out shortly. Number 8, she hopes you dash her. That is help. She hopes you will help her. Okay. She hopes you will help her. That is her hope. Next, please. And then spot the error in the tense form. Okay, correct tense form, the blank space for the options. Raghav, here I got A, B, C, D. I'll give you the answers. Raghav, um, when Raghav, some. Okay, okay. So the first one, what is the choice actually? Is born. A is born. Next. Okay, okay. We'll meet in the next session. Thank you. Thank you. Exam correct and so on. Over.